Crank it all the way up to 100%. Ho, 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 ho. All right, I received the GreatLPT photography light. It was sent to me by the manufacturer to do a review. Okay, in the box it has a nice card here. This explains the light. Power supply is UL listed. You can see the LED there. There's the control plug for the power supply and the mounting point. Yep, and we can control the color temperature from here. So it's a 4700 now. So 4600. Yeah, it's cool. Yeah, so, all right, this light is very bright. I'm at 50% right now, so let me drop it down. All right, now we're at 25%. Still kind of bright. All right, now we're at 10% brightness. Still bright. All right, well, anyway, this light is super powerful. Even at 10%, it's like insane. So it worked out well. I was able to get light on my project here and do work. The only thing is it's got vents, it's not encapsulated, and has a fan. So you will not want to use this in a dirty environment where you have a lot of dust. Like I do a lot of woodworking, not for that type of spot. So you would want really sealed lights to do that. So this is great for a professional studio or home studio where you're doing live streaming or doing photography. You can set the color temperature, which is great, I think. It goes all the way up to 8500 Kelvin, all the way down to 2300 Kelvin. It's app control. I don't think you need the app because you can do everything from the light, but the app control will be beneficial when you are in the studio and you have that light mounted up high. You're not going to have access to the control, so that's where the app will show its true power. So yeah. Crank it all the way up to 100%. Ho, 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 ho. That is insanely nice. All right, and let's see how many watts we're pulling. So this is the killawatt. I got the GreatLPT light hooked up. We're at 100%, 4400 Kelvin, and we're taking 109 watts. Let me see if I can switch to amps. Yeah, we're less than an amp, so yeah, that was right. All right, now I got the perfect work light. So if you can't see that, you blind. All right, so I got my cutters there. I need, got my screwdriver there. So see, when I'm working up in these spots here, doing wiring, it's so much easier to see with this light. Oh my God, look at that. Look at how perfect that is. All because of this light right here. GreatLPT. That it was dark before and you could barely see anything, and now it's like amazing. Shout out to that. Look at that. The light. GreatLPT light. The light. Yes.